This is an interesting breakout for Bitcoin and also a good trade entry. Let me show you why. This is a Bitcoin breakout. In our last video where I showed you guys the recent activity Bitcoin is doing, where I said Bitcoin printed a new symmetric triangle. And symmetric triangle could be a continuation pattern towards the downside, or it could be a possible trend reversal. And Bitcoin have been able to break this trend, this symmetric triangle, and also a micro trend towards the upside. You can see this downtrend. I said, irrespective of the trend, pattern also prevail. Look at this symmetric triangle pattern, and you can see a break toward the upside. Assuming it broke toward this downside, we will expect a more push toward the downside. But as it broke toward this upside, we will expect push around 68,000. And if Bitcoin happen to break this 68,000 region, this upper part of this trend, a macro trend, I will be more bullish on Bitcoin. This is a formation from this highest high of Bitcoin to this last drop Bitcoin did around 50,000. From 73,000 to 50,000 is a formation of bullish flag, but still, this imminent downtrend have broken. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I will long Bitcoin to 68,000. If I see a break around this region, I'll be more bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin may reach here and descend. Have a look. There's another symmetric triangle that will be playing out soon. Look at the upper part of this symmetric triangle here. This is 29th of July 2024. Look at this down part of this symmetric triangle. I marked it this way from here to here. We will expect a macro break maximum before the year runs out at this juncture. Once Bitcoin confirms this break, this final break, either upper part of here or down part of here, and then we will confirm if Bitcoin is continuing towards the downside or a clear trend reversal. Look at the final confirmation. The stage one have been confirmed, which is this. Look at the second stage confirmation. See this upper part of this trend. Let's start it from here to this region, and from here to this region. Once we confirm the break of this triangle, if it breaks towards this downside, an interesting downtrend continues. If it breaks towards the upside, it's a clear confirmation of trend reversal, and this will be happening around 66, 67, 65,000, 66. This region, that is where it will be happening. And if it happens, it breaks towards the upside, say this trend will prevail. This particular trend on a green line. If it breaks towards the downside, this blue trend, this downtrend will prevail. One must play out. But right now, I am bullish on Bitcoin. Let's have a better understanding why I am bullish on Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin did this highest high around 73,600, Bitcoin, this is another high, low, 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 low. And in our previous video, I showed you guys this low high, which could be a potential trend reversal, And this, as you can see, the symmetric triangle we also discussed in our previous video. The symmetric triangle have gotten broken towards the upside. So we will also, I am engaging on this trade. My first target is around 67,000. If this target breaks, I confirm a clear break of this trend, I will be more bullish on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin happens to retest this trend and reject, I will close my trade, take my profit, I will short Bitcoin. Let's check out total crypto market cap. It will help us have a better understanding on what Bitcoin is doing. This is total crypto market cap. As you can see, in our previous video, we also discussed this symmetric triangle. Irrespective, total crypto market cap has been trading on a downtrend. Look at the upper part of this trend. And look at the down part of this trend. But there's an interesting thing we need to say. Look at a new symmetric triangle total crypto market cap printed, and this symmetric triangle have broken towards the upside. This macro support held, and the symmetric triangle have been broken towards the upside, and we will be expecting a push-up. Total crypto, all altcoin will be expecting a push-up towards the upside. I will also wait around this region around $2.25 trillion. If this trend happens to break, I will be more bullish on total crypto in general. As you can see, this symmetric triangle has broken towards the upside, but we still have to be observant around this upper part of this trend that started from 5th June 2024. Once we confirm a breakout of this particular trend, let's check Bitcoin liquidity. It will help us to have a confluence to take a better trade decision. This is Bitcoin liquidity. As you can see, Bitcoin has been trading on a downtrend and bottom around 50,000, around 52,000, 51,000, 50. Within that range, that is the bottom. And Bitcoin has been taking a new move toward the upside, grabbing the liquidity. Look at this first liquidity, grabbed around 57,000. Look at another liquidity. We all know that Bitcoin and other cryptos chases liquidity. Look at another liquidity grabbed around 58,000, 59,000. Look at another liquidity grab. It just recently grabbed around 61,500, and now Bitcoin is currently trading at $62,000. My first target on Bitcoin is around 66,000. This is our Bitcoin chart, our Bitcoin technical analysis. This is my first target on Bitcoin around this region 66,000, 67,000, which is still around this upper part of this trend. And if this trend happens to break, Bitcoin will experience a significant push up toward the upside around 100,000 to 125,000. Hopefully, it will happen this year inside 2024. Hopefully. This is my take on Bitcoin. Make sure to do your own research. It will help you to stay profitable and trade with confidence.